Welcome on the AllCAD channel. In this short clip I would like to introduce you to our course Advanced Editing with ProLace. This course will help you to solve also more complex design tasks efficiently. You will learn how to copy, rotate, mirror and scale in one step. We will show you how to use the fan command and the spiral to create light step stitch designs. We will teach you advanced features of the join command to copy, join and offset in one single step. You will learn to construct many different flowers with our powerful flower macro program. We will show you how to use our two chain commands and explain their application. You will understand the advantage of the copy all over command and we will teach you how to organize an all over with our all over calculation program. Finally, you will learn how to fill an area with a pattern. We are looking forward to welcome you in our class.